Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am Theo. Today I will demonstrate how I do natural male makeup. But first of all, here's my makeup case. This is the traveling one. It's easy to pack, it's light and ready for action. After cleansing the model's skin, I spray Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray all over the face for hydration and to prepare the model's skin for face primer. After seeing the footage, I realized I sprayed too much product. I need to use less next time. This Urban Decay All-Nighter is not cheap, you know? Next step is the primer. I use Covermark Connecting Base as primer here because it can withstand hot and humid weather and keep the skin natural glow. Use sparingly. Too much and the model's face will look ashy. This primer works best with fingertips or blending brush, not with sponge, because sponge can absorb the product and will make you use more. Blend the primer seamlessly and make it your cardio to blend it from the inner part of the face to the outer part of the face. Next step is the LA Girl HD Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. I use it to counter the bluish or the purplish tinge under the eye or sometimes for brushes too. Apply only to the area with discoloration. Blend it well and remember to let it set before you move to the next step or else it will ruin your base. I use Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation as my concealer here. The shade used 4N2 Spy Sand. Because the model does not have problematic skin and only has mild under eye discoloration, this foundation will work just fine. To use the foundation, tap the product to the discoloration area to layer it after the corrector. Blend the edges. Remember to use it sparingly. Male models cannot look like they wear tons of makeup. And always blend. You don't want to see where the foundation begins and where it ends. Blending is your cardio. He loves to talk, doesn't he? He's a nice person. And actually, it was not me who was talking all the time, but the photographer asked him questions about his traveling, his modeling experience, plans, etc. That's why in here he keeps answering the question. Actually, it doesn't bother me at all. Next step after foundation is to set the foundation and the base with powder, so it won't crease and it stays longer. Today, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade of NC45. For this look, I don't need lots of coverage, so I use more airy, more fluffier brush like the Shachio brush from NARS because it picks up less product compared if I use dense brush or a powder puff. Remember to pick a powder and foundation shade in the same color of your model's neck and shoulder so everything will match. That's why he is in tank top now, so I can see the color uniformity among the face, the neck and the shoulder so it all would match. One more reason? It's good for the viewer retention of this video as well. To warm up the complexion and to give it subtle glow, I used the Body Shop Baked to Last bronzer in the shade of Golden Bronze. What can I say about this product? This multi-purpose bronzer really lives up to its name. It lasts a really long time. I use it for face, as an eyeshadow, as a bronzer, blusher, and even body glow. And still, I haven't hit pan. Next, I use the Saem Eco Soul Pencil and Powder Dual Brow. This is the part where I get kinda distracted because the pizza delivery guy just arrived at the studio. Since the model already have great eyebrow shape, so the purpose of this pencil is to give the models more fluffier brow, more sharper than divine brow, so he will look more edgier. So this is the last step of the makeup where I spray Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray all over the model's face. The purpose is to lock the makeup in place so when he go outside and shoot in the sun, the makeup will not melt, nothing will budge. Before we watch the behind the scene footage and see the result of this photoshoot, I would like to remind you, please like this video and would you be so kind to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any opinion whether I should add more steps or I should subtract some of the steps, please let me know in the comment below. I will try my best to reply every single comment. So that's all for today. Thank you.